Over the past decade, China's pharmaceutical industry has quietly reshaped the global patent landscape, especially in small molecule drugs. Think kinase inhibitors, GPCR modulators. A deep dive into the data reveals a striking trend. Chinese firms are filing a growing number of patents outside of China, signaling a bold strategy to protect and expand their intellectual property globally. Today, we're diving into the numbers to see which companies are leading this charge and what this surge means for the future of drug innovation. Let's get into it. Our analysis covers three key areas: inhibitors, agonists, and antagonists. Excluding antibodies, we find that 𝗖𝗛𝗜𝗡𝗔𝗟𝗓, Hansa Pharma, and 𝗤𝗛𝗡𝗘𝗏𝗡𝗏 have emerged as the top filers. This dominance is even more pronounced when we look at global filings excluding China. Notably, 𝗖𝗛𝗜𝗡𝗏 has rocketed to the top, overtaking giants like Pfizer and Novartis. But it's not just about who's filing the most patents. The real story lies in the trajectory over time. Before 2015, Western pharma companies dominated global filings. But after 2020, China took the lead, with Chinese companies amassing more 𝗤𝗛𝗡𝗡𝗏 applications than the US and EU combined. This shift is even more remarkable when we consider the therapeutic focus. Early Chinese patents primarily focused on oncology, a trend mirrored by Western counterparts. However, in recent years, Chinese filings have diversified into neurodegenerative and autoimmune disease areas, while oncology patents from US, EU firms have dropped. This evolving focus suggests a strategic realignment where Chinese pharma is not only catching up but also charting its own course in therapeutic innovation. The reasons behind this surge are complex and fascinating. One prominent theory points to China's vast and diverse patient population, which offers a rich testing ground for new drugs. Moreover, China's supportive regulatory environment and emphasis on indigenous innovation have incentivized local pharma to grow their pipelines. However, these statistics also pose a significant challenge: globalization. While Chinese pharma has made great strides in developing innovative drugs, can they overcome regulatory, logistical, and reimbursement hurdles to bring these drugs to patients worldwide? The coming years will be crucial in assessing the global reach and impact of Chinese pharma's innovations. In conclusion, the rise of Chinese pharma is reshaping the global drug patent landscape. The increased filings by companies like 𝗖𝗛𝗜𝗡𝗏, Hansa Pharma, and 𝗤𝗛𝗡𝗏𝗡𝗏 signify not just a growth in volume, but potentially a shift in the global innovation ecosystem. As Western firms increasingly focus on biologics, China is securing its lead in small molecule drug discovery. The competition is heating up, and it's not just the usual suspects like Pfizer and Novartis. The new players from China are agile, innovative, and well-funded. They're not just competing in the race for the next blockbuster drug, they're changing the rules of the game. What's your take? Are we witnessing a new era of pharma innovation or a fragmentation of the global market? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the ever-evolving world of pharmaceuticals.